Here we have a manual zoom camera, and when zooming this, please note that you should use the included Allen key tool. Do not use a drill, as you will over torque these mechanisms here and then render the camera inoperable because you cannot change the focus or zoom. And also note that on some of these cameras, the zoom and focus may be different or switched depending on the mechanism inside of the camera. So now to modify the zoom or focus, here we're going to insert the Allen key and twist the Allen key left and right. As you can see, this is modifying the focus, and then we are going to modify the zoom. We're zooming in. And then we'll do some fine zoom or focus adjustments. There we go. You can also tell that the lens is moving by looking at the front of the camera. And then you can see the lens twist and also move back and forth. Again, use the included Allen key, not a drill. Thank you for watching.